just a short video to wrap up our linear perspective module. Objects that are not rectangles can be drawn in linear perspective. As you'll see here, I drew a 1-point perspective, kind of horizon line, vanishing point, orthogonal lines going to a rectangle that I drew in blue here so that you could see it better. And then I just began to sketch in what would be this little like convertible car that I might want to draw within that space. So just like the front of the car in 1-point perspective would be fully visible, and then the back of the car would be adhering to that 1-point perspective over there. So a quick sketch to establish it, then you can erase all the lines you don't need and fill in knowing that it is going to be authentic looking in 1 or 2-point perspective. So on the other side, I want to show you how to do an object in 2-point perspective. But first I wanted to tell you that your drawings function both right side up and upside down. So this is a high horizon line with 2 vanishing points and an object that we're seeing the top of. All we have to do here is turn the paper over and we see what I had intended, which was an object flying out. Here I want to do a helicopter. So I didn't use a reference photo for the little car, but I'm not also going to use a reference photo for the helicopter, but we're just gonna kind of wing it. Now I want to fit it within this rectangle, and then I can erase the rectangle and hopefully the illusion of kind of seeing the bottom of the helicopter would be convincing once I erased all the lines. So we know we need everything to get smaller. So if I know this is going to be like, say, the back of the chopper, I'm going to see the bottom of it here, right? And we're going to see the front of it here. And then we're going to see its tail. And with that also has to adhere to the perspective point on this side. So we're seeing a lot of the bottom. And we're going to see, obviously, its rotors, or whatever they're called, are going to come out that way, and then that one's going to come out that way, really large. And then there's usually some sort of like feet on it, and then some sort of. So that's how you would begin to draw something from either from a photo reference or from your imagination, but have it look convincing to adhere to 2-point perspective.